Some of you may have watched the Bronzebeard most recent Struggling Together video. And in this video, they talked about a story when...
Because we're thinking about the one, Logan, where you just absolutely gassed Jared.
Yeah, 100%.
So if you guys don't understand, Logan was... we were playing... The Wii had just kind of come out, and... Aaron and Jared had gotten the Wii, so we went over and we were doing an all-nighter. Logan goes to roll the ball.
Mm-hmm. He's like this, you know, with Nintendo Wii Remote.
As anyone knows, when you're gearing up for something like this, sometimes you need a turbo boost.
Sometimes you need a turbo
boost. I have one loaded in the chamber, and poor Jared is sitting, let's call it the splash zone.
The splash zone?
I let this puppy rip, and it moved his hair.
It did! It moved his hair! He got poofed right in the face, flashbang!
I don't remember what I got for what I bowled, but I don't think we played the second half of that frame for about 10 minutes.
We were laughing so hard.
You could say that it was because of the laughing gas.
The laughing gas. Look, yeah. Imagine getting blasted in the face with a fart so powerful.
I don't think Jared's ever fully recovered.
I don't think he has.
Physically, mentally, or emotionally.
I don't think he has.
Doesn't have to imagine.
Yeah. Jared, leave a comment down below of your memory of that if you haven't had it blacked out.
It might be erased.
So yeah, life is a little bit tough. You know, I had to make some changes. It still burns. It burns a lot. You know, you would think by now the doctors would have been able to figure this out, but they haven't. And then, you know, it's really tough. So yeah, I mean, I was. And now they got something wrong. I was actually crawling behind him so he wouldn't hit me with the remote. But instead he did, in fact, hit me with his best shot. Hit me with your best shot. Of gas. And, you know, it has never left. And in fact, my eyes got damaged as a result. And now I have to wear glasses. I never had to wear them before. Now I gotta wear them. Just please make it stop! Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta go and put in some eye drops.
Well, guys, I guess what we're saying is, stick around family when it comes to Christmas.
But not
then
too
you'll remember
close.
that you farted in your cousin's face and maybe caused him to have eyes problems.
Maybe?